I'm 100% certain that I figured out why she randomly wants to shut off sometimes, and sometimes after hitting like potholes or bumps and shit like that. I took it to AutoZone, and before I bought the crankshaft position sensor, I said, hey, can you guys do a test on the car? I just want to make sure like everything's cool before I buy this sensor, because if everything is okay, then I know that this crankshaft sensor is causing my random shutoffs. I said a lot of people are saying this, that, and the third, but I said, according to Google, there's multiple symptoms that can happen, and I said it feels like the car just loses a signal briefly, and then when I turn the car fully off and back on, it's perfectly fucking fine. So I said I'm 100% certain on crankshaft sensor and shit like that. He basically was telling me like, oh, his Lincoln Town car does the same exact thing, but it only happens to when he's like stopping at lights and shit like that. Mine necessarily happens while I'm driving, and it's kind of scary because you know you lose all the power steering and throttle, because power steering is driven by the belt. So that's that. But he tested it for me. I'm gonna show you guys here in a minute on the little receipt paper I got. But he tested everything for me. Alternator's good, battery's at 100%, charging system's good. So it's not neither of those things. My battery terminals are tight as can fucking be right now, and looks like my grounds are fine. So it has to be this crankshaft sensor. Now about the crankshaft sensor, I bought it. I tried to do it when I got home, but for the sole fact that Ford puts the most easiest shit in the weirdest fucking no clearance ass areas, bro, I have to either fully remove my air compressor, or I have to unbolt it and just back it up just a little bit so I can access that crankshaft sensor. It's not a hard job, it's just that I never did nothing with the belt. I never took a belt off. I never fucked with a belt even with Snow White. I never had to do any of that. So like I don't feel comfortable with doing that, knowing that I have to go to work the next day too at that. So damn, I don't know where the fuck I just put it. I just had it. I don't know where the fuck I just put it at. Oh, right here. So it says my fucking fingernails and shit is dirty because I was underneath the car touching and shit. So please don't clown me in the fucking comments and shit. But can I sit here? I ain't gonna be here for too long because I'm gonna just get out, take pictures, and start recording again. But look, system test passed. Like again, I was underneath the car. My hands are dirty. Leave me the fuck alone. It passed. Look, good battery, good starting system, good charging system. Oh fucking no! So it has to be that fucking crankshaft sensor. I have it. It's not in the car. It's in the house because it's hot as fuck outside, and I really don't want that shit. Like if I sit it in the car, I think it'll melt and shit. Well, I'm scared it might melt. Shit, 0.5. We in the boonies, bro. Not really, but this is a calm little spot to take pictures and shit. So, and this is my baby. I'm almost done with the blackout. This shit looks like ass. Look, all this shit. But this is the way I had to wrap it because this piece is too chunky for the blackout trim. And then, oh my gosh, these light ass trucks. I gotta finish this, but at the time, it was too fucking hot out here to be doing that shit. I almost passed fuck out, so I might do this shit later tonight. I don't know. This windy road up here. It's not coming up right now. It's gonna be a little minute. My bad. Goddamn. Now, right here, I don't know if y'all just seen that shit, but it's like you know the drains they have like next to the sidewalks, the drain like the storm drains and shit for like when it rains and shit like that. I couldn't. Oh, what the fuck? My phone fell, chat. Hold on, bro. My bad, yo. My fucking phone fell. I guess the window's too hot for the phone mount and the suction. So I guess that's our fucking sign to hurry up and get this video over with. But long story short, we found the issue. That's all I was worried about. Am I gonna be able to get it done like as soon as possible? Probably not. I might have to wait till the next paycheck. But that's not necessarily bad because again, when she shuts off, all I had to do was turn her off fully and turn her back on, and she starts right back up and she drives. So yeah, I'm getting ready to. I gotta go to a store and shit real quick. So I'm like, shit. I gotta go to the store and I gotta go get gas. So why not make a video basically letting them know that we found the issue and shit like that, and then I'll basically just get back to y'all and shit with another video once we replace that sensor. But I'm not gonna get underneath the car and shit like that and show y'all where it's at. I'll just put the picture that I took in the video for y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to get on this motherfucker to say is that we found the issue. I'm just scared that my phone mount was gonna fall again. So sorry, boss. I'm just scared that my phone mount was gonna fall again. So I'm like trying to talk real fast and shit. I want to give y'all a pull, but it's daytime. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed these little videos I've been uploading. I know they're not nothing crazy, but I'd rather keep y'all in the loop and shit, so y'all not worried about, or not worried about, so y'all not lost when I start dropping videos about the car. I'd rather keep y'all in the loop so y'all know what's going on every step of the way than to just keep y'all in the loop for a little bit, then go ghost for a minute, and then come back with the issue resolved. You know, that's kind of weird. I just keep yapping even though I said that was it. This is really it. This is the outro for real. I hope you guys enjoyed this jump, and I catch you boys and girls in the next video. We gonna get Scarlett right. Just trust the process. She's just being a little fussy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna give her the benefit of the doubt because she sat for 4 years, so we can't really necessarily just be mad at her. We also gotta be mad at her previous owners for neglecting her how they did. Yes, I'm throwing shade. Anyways, I'm out, bruh. I'll catch you on another one. I'm about to go fucking put some gasoline in her. She's about to guzzle the fuck out of my money and go home and edit this shit for y'all. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.